Yes guys, it's 2.0 TV, Team R for UL, your favourite YouTube mechanic. We're back again, back in the garage, and what we're doing this time around is I've got a 2012 VW Golf. It's the 2.0 Tdi 2012, and I'm going to go ahead and change the starter motor. Easy job. If you have it on the ramp, it's really easy, right? If you're doing it on the floor, jack it up, it's okay, you can get to it and everything. You just have to take that big cover off underneath and you can get to everything. Anyway, it's all here. Mine's slightly easy, guys. On mine, this guy's modified it and put like a K&N filter on it, one of these aftermarket sports performance filters on it. So you guys are going to have the normal standard one here. I've got a slightly performance, you know, K&N filter type kind of thing. Makes my job a little bit easier. For you guys, you will have to take the air filter box off. I'll show you guys anyway. Let's do it, let's go. Alright guys, first things first, what we're going to do is we're going to take the battery lead off. These are not coded stereos, this has got aftermarket stereo in it anyway, so it doesn't matter. The original ones, they're not coded or anything. You can go ahead and take the battery lead off, no problem. 10 milli, take that off. What I'm going to do is, you're going to have an air filter box here, round about here, right? What you guys need to do is obviously take the air filter box off. Check my other videos out on the Audis, Skodas, and they're pretty much the same. All I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Jubilee clip off here, take the Jubilee clip off here, and take that pipe off, and I'm going to take this bracket off. You guys are not going to have all this, so I'm going to gloss over that, skip over that, and yeah, let's do it. Okay guys, I've took the air filter off, the K&N filter. On yours you'll have an air filter box. Take that off. If you want, you can go ahead and take the battery off completely, take the battery tray off, but as you can see there, I can get to the starter and everything. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically just struggle a little bit. I know that's in the way. Normally I would take the battery tray off. If you want, just take the battery off. What I'm going to do now is take this plug off. That plug's out of the way. Take this off. This little cover there, it'll have a 13 milli nut behind it. Take this cover off here. That one just pulls off. Right, we have to take that 13 milli nut off. $13 milli is off. That terminal is out of the way. That plug is off as well. Right, as you can see there, there's the flexi hose for the concentric slave cylinder, which is inside the gearbox. Right, there's the adapter there. This bolt will not come out this way because it hits the adapter there. Okay, so there's two ways to do it. Either you take this off, the actual pipe here, the adapter, the connector here, take that off, take the bolt off, happy days. But if you do that, bear in mind, what you have to do is you have to get the air out of the system. It's another job for you basically. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to slacken this bolt, go underneath, take the bottom bolt off as well, and then take this bolt off and try tilting the starter motor a little bit. That way we don't need to take this off. Okay, if we can get away with it, saves us a little bit of mess about. You know, sometimes if you know, to bleed the clutch, get the air out of the system could be a bit of a headache. You know, so yeah, that's what we're going to do. First things first, I'm going to crack that one, send the car up on the ramp, make sure it's safe. Make sure if you guys are doing it on the floor, get some axle stands on it, make sure it's safe, and take the bottom bolt off. Alright guys, I've sent the car up on the ramp, took that bottom cover off. Check my videos out. I'm not going to show you how to take the cover off. Torx 25, take them, all the ones off, all these off all along the side here. The back ones are Torx 30, take them off. Right, I'm going to take this 13 milli nut off. Okay, and there's an 18 milli bolt behind it. We're going to take that off, and we'll go from there. Right, we've took that bracket off guys, and we took that 13 milli nut off. There's the 18 mil. Let's take that one off. See, I'm doing it with the electric ratchet. I mean, you can do it with a normal ratchet, you can do it with a spanner, no problem. This makes it a lot easier. If you can get one of them on eBay, they're about 20-30 quid. Just get one of them. Right, we've took the bottom bolt off. Right, this is the tricky bit. Because of that concentric slave cylinder, I'm hoping I can just get it past that slave cylinder pipe without taking the pipe off If we can't, then obviously we'll have to take the concentric slave cylinder pipe off, the adapter off, and then obviously it'll come off straight off then. But yeah, that's what we're going to do. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to send the car down, right, take that top bolt off, and let's see if it comes off. Right, there's the bolt, guys. We've already cracked it, remember. Hopefully it comes past this pipe. If it doesn't, then we've got a little bit of trouble. Basically, we have to take the pipe off, bleed the whole clutch system again, which is a lot of headache. So hopefully it'll come past it. Let me get the ratchet and everything and we'll do it. See, as you can see there, guys, the bolt is off and it's just touching the that adapter there. So what I'm going to do now is pull the starter out like that. I need two hands, obviously. I'm going to pull the starter out while taking the bolt off at the same time. As you can see, it's tilted, so hopefully I can maneuver that bolt as well, move that out of the way, give us just about enough room. As you can see there, just about enough room just to get that bolt out, and then happy days, starter's off. There we have it, guys. The starter is off. It's on the floor there. I've just dropped it on the floor. If you take the battery off, battery tray off and everything, you can just pull it out this way, no problem. We just about got it through. As you can see there, that's the way you have to do it. If you try taking the bolt off like straight up, it will not come out. You have to tilt the starter and make sure you take it out that way. Right, let's fit the new one. There we have it. There's the new starter motor ready to go on. You can do it two ways. Either you can do it from the bottom, or if you take this battery tray off, like I mentioned before, you can get it from the top, dead easy. I'm still going to get it in through the top. I can just maneuver it this way, and then basically just get it in there. Right? Well, I need two hands. The thing is, we're going to put the bolt in and make sure we slide the bolt in with the alternator. Remember the way we took it off? That's the way we're going to put it back on. Let's do it. We've got the starter motor back in there. As you can see, that bolt, the way I had to do it, the same way as taking it off, in an angle, put the starter on, the bolt goes on, it's gone past the adapter there, the concentric slave cylinder adapter, the slave cylinder adapter has gone past that. I've tightened it up a few turns with my hand, so I know it's on the thread. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to send the car up, put the bottom bolt on, tighten up on the bottom bolt, and then tighten up on the top bolt. Happy days, let's do it. Right, we sent it up on the ramp, guys. I've got the 18mm bolt back on, the main starter bolt back on, that 13mm is back on, the reverse light switch is back on. All we're going to do now is send it down, tighten the top bolt back up, and put the switches and plugs and everything back on, the ring terminal, everything back on, and that's it. Let's do it. Okay, guys, we've tightened up on that bolt. That bolt is tight, 18mm. That 13mm is tight as well. Put this plug back on. That's it. Push that red bit there as a lock in. That's on. Make sure we cover the live wire here. There we have it. That's covered up. I'm going to put the air filter back on now. The K&N filter. You guys will fit the box back on. Dead easy. And yeah, let's finish it off. Home stretch, let's go. There we have it, guys. All done and dusted. Battery leads back on. Air filter and everything's back on. The K&N filter, in my case. The pipes on here. Well, you won't need to take any of this off. All it is, when you take the air filter box off, take the battery tray off, happy days, that's it. That's it, guys, job done. All there is left to do now is I'm going to start it up. It should start up. I don't know why it shouldn't start up. The starter motor was knackered. And yeah, I hope this video helps you guys out. As you can see, I've got the neck warmer, everything on. It's absolutely freezing here. Winter is finally here. And yeah, all I'm going to say is like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section and I will see you guys soon.